I'm at the studios, just checking on the studios, and so far everything seems to be okay. Nothing seems to be. That's our internet line. That's our power line. Still got, I brought Bella. Bella! Get back here. So everything seems to be pretty good so far. I think, ooh, that rain's cold. Put the basketball goal down. Oh, it's cold. Ah. Everything seems to be in order. No down trees. There were a couple down trees on the road getting here. Ooh. There's Bella. There's the Merch Cricks F350 we drove here. Realistically, only if I think we're good. I think we might be okay. If that tree fell down, I'd take my service out. But then again, any tree down the line, if it fell. So I decided to come over to the studio before I went to bed. Bella, get back here. Bella, get back here. I have a whistle. She associates that with getting a treat and coming back. Lummy took the goats to his place. There's my merch trailer. Tyler's old race car. What's his Beamer? Bella getting wet. Bella! Come on, we're going! So again, everything seems